Hey there weavers, welcome back. I thought I would do a quick video of unboxing my latest purchases. So I purchased a couple kits and some stuff for the Ashford Table Loom from Lofty Fibers. And so the first thing is a Tabula Rasa table runner kit. And this is in a Euroflax, and I believe it is. So I have these colors, and it is going to make a table runner. So if you want to see what it's going to look like, go to Lofty Fibers and look at the Tabula Rasa table runner kit. So the next thing that I got is these are to make napkins, and this is the Lofty Cotton Boucle napkins. So this is what they're going to look like, and so you have 3 colors of a boucle, and I thought those napkins are going to look really cool. So we could do this on the rigid head loom, although it calls for 17.5-inch width, and I think mine is a 15-inch. So we either have to make it a little bit shorter or narrower, and maybe shorter, or warp it up on the big loom. So we'll see what happens with that. And then because I hate warping my little Ashford Table Loom unless I warp it front to back, I decided to go ahead and get the Helping Hands kit. So these little brackets basically hold the leaf sticks so that you can wind the warp on with the leaf sticks in place and they're not kind of flopping all over the place. And with that, I got the rattle kit. So we're going to have to take these out, take a look at them, see how they fit, and maybe I'll do a video of that. Let's see, and then what else did they give us? Oh, okay, so here is the instructions for the Tabula Rasa runner, and you can see that's what it looks like. And this is a double weave based on parallel interleaved threads, so that's going to be exciting. So it's an 8-shaft loom, cannot be woven on 8-shaft treadle loom as it would require 18 treadles. So I'm going to be weaving this on my Ashford Table Loom. My loom is 15 inches. This is a 14-inch weaving width. So that's why I figured I could do it. If I had, if it only took 14 treadles, I could do that on the big loom because I have 14 treadles. It's technically a 12-shaft loom, but I only use 8 shafts of it. But it gives me extra treadles, so I have 4 extra treadles. So there you go. These are probably going to be my next 2 projects. I have a list of projects that I want to get through for this year, and the list keeps growing, so we'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for these projects, and happy weaving!